Happy New Year's, JRiders. I wanted to start off the year being productive. I'm up early. Gotta get it. Early bird catches worm, so the old school people say. And it's been true in my life. So in this video, like I say, this is gonna be a series, a playlist of different videos I'm gonna be doing on this Bigfoot Power Wheels that I was blessed to be able to get. Once again, shout out to Joe Shear of Shear Heating and Air, Precision Heating and Air here in Tallahassee, Florida. Thank you for giving me this. This is a part of my life, part of my childhood. So this video is going to be called Goals and where I'm starting at. All right. So I got it flipped over. The first night that I had it, I washed it up or whatever. I really didn't look underneath anything just to check everything out. But like I said, this is the goals video and where I'm starting. I'm going to show you a couple of accessories that I've already bought for this vehicle. The main goal is to bring it back as close to original as I can without breaking anything, because what I've noticed so far doing my research is really hard to find parts for this because it is from the 80s with the battery source for a battery. The sockets are a little bit different than what they have now, so I'm gonna have to try to find some batteries. I'm going online doing that. That's one thing. The second thing, I'm looking at this frame, as y'all can see, and it has some areas of rust, but the wiring looks really, really good. Another goal is I want to get it running. You know, even though I'm not gonna drive it, I can't fit. You know what I'm saying? I'm a grown man. I was gonna say something, but as you can see, it looks pretty good underneath here. Little bit of rust here and there, but not too bad. You know what I'm saying? But I was gonna take the whole frame off, and you know, one of my earlier goals was just to take the frame off, and I wanted to respray it, get some of this rust off of there. But I'm kind of debating just because of the age of the parts on here. I don't want anything to snap. It's actually really solid. The frame is really solid. You know, I put some weight on the vehicle. I actually sat on it. There's a picture that I took earlier on. I actually sat on it, messing around at work when I first got it. So it's pretty solid, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want it to, these screws are old and this plastic is old, and I keep thinking I'm gonna snap something. So I might just leave well enough alone. Y'all comment down below wherever you see this video or the preview at. Let me know what you think I should do. But I do want to get it running. Tires are worn out. Tell you, this thing had power for its day. Look at the front tires. Okay, you see the wear marks? Boom. Look at the rear tire. You see how they got that wear pattern on them? Yeah. Yeah. Put this thing in high speed, boy. She faster than, never mind, a bicycle. But anyway, like I said, I'm trying to figure that part out. Second thing, I want to show y'all some of the accessories that I picked up the first day. This one is going to be totally custom, but still old school. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. I bought some tips. I got 2 of these from AutoZone. I thought they would look pretty cool. At first, I was thinking I was going to have them coming out the hood because this one doesn't have a hood on it, but I'm going to let it ride. You know what I'm saying? I know it's going to be hard to find the parts. But I bought this air cleaner too, and I did some measurements. I knew pretty much how big the battery is, so I measured this little area where the battery is, and the battery itself should fit this way. So I should be able to put the battery in there once I find the battery and sit this air cleaner right on top. I think that'll look pretty good. Here's a spacer just in case I need some more room. Like I said, I'm bootlegging it at the moment, trying to figure things out. It's a different project. I didn't expect to do this. I didn't expect to have one of these or find one of these. And I got some tips. Like I said, I already test fit one of them over here. Y'all check this out. I'm thinking about either out the hood area or out the back. I mean, I'm going all in. You know me. Anybody knows any of my cars, I'm definitely never ever leaving the exhaust alone. Tips, exhaust, X pipes. Even on a Lincoln Town car that I had a full exhaust on that. So I'm just test fitting it. I stuck it down in here off the side. I'm gonna have them coming out the back. Either I'm gonna put both of them here coming out the back, or down in these little slots right here. The only thing I didn't like is, like, when I look from the side, you never really want to see your exhaust too much from the side. You see what I'm saying right there? I don't like that. So the condition is really good. I cleaned up the wheels real good, as y'all can see. As y'all can see. And you know, I'm gonna spray everything down with WD-40. Everything's tight right now, so I don't really want to break any screws or anything like that. But I also wanted to keep its old school flavor. Like, yeah, this thing is from the old school, even though I want to refurb it a little bit. I want to keep it. That's one of my goals, to keep it as rich as possible. Y'all, sorry about that. Keep it as original as possible. That's one of the goals, without going too far. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do this in between. Meantime, between time, I'm gonna still keep my channel up, still working full time. Still gonna do car reviews, and then I'm gonna come out here and play with my first car. So that's the first video. Just goals and aspirations and what y'all think about trying to keep this thing as original as possible. I was thinking about painting it, but then I heard some tricks and stuff that I can do with that, with the paint. Do that in a later video. And so yeah, we gonna make this thing work. What y'all think? Try to take this frame apart, or just let it be, because I don't want to mess anything up, because I know so far on my journey it's very hard to find parts. But it ain't like I'm gonna be in it, driving it or anything like that either. So y'all let me know down in the comments. Once again, wherever you see this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hashtag JRideReviews, JRideReviews on YouTube, where this Bigfoot Power Wheels is gonna be in its own. I already started the playlist, so y'all can check out the first video of the first night that I had it. I'm super excited. You know I'm grown. I'm 37 now, but I had this when I was 4 or 5 years old. So it's a part of my history, part of my life, and I wanna do it right, man, for everybody that had one or everyone that has one now. You know what I'm saying? Happy New Year's again. Y'all stay tuned. More videos to come. Once again, let me know what y'all think I should do. Be good. And if you ain't gonna be good, please be good at it. I ain't playing over here. You dig? Yes, sir. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and spray some of these metal parts with this WD-40, as y'all can see. You know, lubricate everything up. Like I'm missing a bolt right here on the steering. Uh-oh. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray the whole frame real quick, like. You know, WD-40 is good for rust. Sprayed everything. The motors actually look really good on here, as y'all can see. You know, y'all keep watching. It's gonna be a fun road, you know. I think it's gonna be really exciting. Where it's coming from to where it's going, you know. Spray the steering columns, steering joints, the joints, good joints. Yeah, this part of my life right here, so this means a lot to me. And I know it meant a lot to y'all guys too. And y'all stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun journey for sure. I'm gonna make sure I do a video on this, keep this thing going. So just sprayed the rust down, sprayed, you know, the joints and stuff. Hopefully I ain't messing nothing up by doing this, but it is what it is, you know. You know what I mean? Main thing is the steering. Like I said, it feels like it's in alignment. Everything's really tight, as y'all can see. No unnecessary wobbles and wiggles. Steering shaft fits right in. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So it should be a fun journey. Y'all stay in touch, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do with this thing for real. But like I said, I just wanted to spray everything, you know, everything, all the steering joints, the ball joints, and the control arms, the tie rods, all that good stuff. Of course, you know I'm gonna add some comedy into this thing. My first car. What you say? Every new beginning starts from some other beginnings.